Here's a tutorial for the wall hanging. This is with 20 cords. The gray one that everyone liked is 30 cords. Let me show you a picture. So in the picture you saw the red outlined area is what I did. If you want to make it as big as the gray one, you would just add 10 more cords. For this I used a 3mm cord, and I'm going to show the gray wall hanging again, a close-up of that, and it looks like it's a different cord. It has more sheen to it, so let me show that to you. So now go ahead and cut your first 10 cords, and I cut mine 10 feet long, and look at this, it's very long. But if I had added another 10 cords here, I would have had more room. I would have needed more cord. So I always tend to cut extra long and have a little bit left over. I would rather do that than for it to be too short. So I'll let you use your judgment whether you want to go with 10 feet or 9, maybe 8.5 for your cords, depending on how wide you're going to make your wall. Attach the 10 cords with a lark's head knot. Here is a practice of the pattern, and it's with a larger cord. I'm not crazy about the look of that. I think the smaller cord looks much better, but I wanted to show you how to do the pattern. So the first 5 cords, you're going to do 3 rows of half hitch. And now we're going to take the next 5 cords and do the 3 rows of half hitch this way. Okay, now that we have these 3 done and these 3 rows done, what we're going to do is cross over. So now this will be the lead cord here, and this will be the lead cord there, and then we'll do 3 more rows. I'm not happy with how that is buckling here, so I'm going to undo this side and do that again and just try to keep it straighter like that. Okay, I redid it and it is a little straighter. So now I will just finish the second row, third, and third here. Okay, so you have the first section done. Now move over and do the same thing here. Okay, so I added another 10 cords, and I like how this looks, so I'm going to go ahead. In my opinion, if you don't like this, before you move on, I would undo this and start over again. I think this is very difficult to do. So if you're happy with this and it looks even and you're ready to move on, then just do exactly what we did here. Again, we'll do 5 cords, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, cross, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then do that again on this side. Okay, now that these 4 are done, we're going to take out this and this and cross these, and then we'll do 3 and 3. and then do that 2 more times. So go ahead and finish 2 rows here, then you will take out this one, do 2 sets here, then take out this one and do 1 set. Okay, it's all finished. I added these little knots, and let me show you how to do those. Okay, you take the rope, flip it over this way, and then you just start threading it through this around, and I like to just start making a little I don't know, spiral, what would you call that? So just do that, and then when you're finished, you just kind of let it fall and try to keep everything in a spiral. So if you just kind of go back and forth, pulling and kind of pushing at the same time, you end up with a nice little knot.